Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to edit the table. Once we create a table, after that if we need to edit that one, we can edit. Okay. For example, I want to insert one row here below this row. So for that what I will do, I will just select this row. Okay, and then I will go here. Here you can see in the ribbon there are two options, one is row and another is column. So I want to just insert row, and there are some options like if I want to just delete the row, I can just delete this row. If I want to insert row below this row, I can insert from here, and if I want to just insert row above this row, I can insert that one. So for example, I want to just insert a row below this one, so I will hit this one. Okay, so you can see one row is inserted below this row. So now for example, if you want to insert a column left or a right of this column, you can insert that one. All you need to do is, if I want to just insert it to the right, I will just hit this icon. Okay, now you can see one column is going to insert it right of this column, and if I want to just insert to the left, I will just hit this option. Now you can see one of the column is just inserted on this direction. Okay, so if I want to just insert, for example, along this, okay, I will just go here and I will just click on this one, insert right. Now this column is going to insert it here. Okay, so these are some options to insert rows and columns. And we also can make changes through grips as well. For example, I want to just select this table, okay, and I want to make a change in height. Okay, so I will just use this grip. Okay, I will click on this grip and I can just change the height of this. Okay, height of this table. Okay, so you can see now the height of the table is going to change, and if you want to change the width, you can change from here. I will just use this grip. Okay, you can see here, and now from this grip you can just convert one table into two table. Okay, for example, I will use this grip. I will click on this one, and you can see when I will move it toward up, okay, now you can see some of the rows are going to insert here. Now this table is converted into two tables. So these are some options. If you want to just change individual columns or row, you can use these grips as well. Okay, for example, I want to make change from here. Okay, you can see here now these columns width is going to change. Okay, so this is how you can just edit the table as well. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.